I'm going to cut this 15mm copper pipe, and I need 5 centimeters. Mark it off. And I'm using this 15mm pipe cutter. Line it up. Go into place, and then simply rotate either the pipe or the cutter. I'm just turning it. And that's it. There you go. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.